Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out the Minisopuru Upgrade DisplayLink Docking Station, a triple monitor dock. Let's explore the features that make this dock. Triple monitor support. The Minisopuru Docking Station supports triple display output via 3 HDMI ports. Whether you need extra screen space for work or entertainment, this dock can drive multiple 4K monitors at once. 2 DisplayPort connections. In addition to the HDMI ports, you get 2 DisplayPort connections for even more versatility. Use these to connect high-resolution monitors, allowing you to customize your setup based on your display preferences. Powerful 140-watt power adapter. With a 140 power adapter, the Minisopuru Docking Station powers your devices with ease. This high-power adapter ensures stable performance for all your peripherals while charging your laptop and devices. 45-watt laptop charging capability. Keep your laptop fully charged while you work with 45-watt charging power. This dock ensures your laptop stays powered even during intense multitasking sessions. 1000 Mbps Ethernet. Stay connected with fast and reliable internet speeds using the Gigabit Ethernet port. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or transferring large files, enjoy speeds of up to 1000 Mbps for lag-free performance. Whether you need multiple displays or fast data transfer, this dock has you covered. Check out the link below for more details and make the switch to Docking Station today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and updates.